Welcome back, Carl here. Today in SQL we're going to be learning about the aggregate functions. So let's go ahead and get started. What are aggregate functions in SQL? Aggregate function performs a calculation on a set of values and returns a single value, except for count all. Aggregate functions ignore null values. Aggregate functions are often used with the group by clause of the select statement. Count is defined as basically counts how many rows are in a particular column. The sum adds together all the values in a particular column. The minimum and max return the lowest and the highest values in a particular column, respectively. And the average calculates the average of a group of selected values. Last but not least, what is a group by statement? The group by statement groups rows that have the same values as the summary of rows, like find the number of customers in each country. The group by statement is often used with aggregate functions count, max, min, sum, and average to group the results set by one or more columns. Good luck with chapter 3.